could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl.
So this is a great place for even for our dogs to explore, to meet some other furry friends.
Bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Larger, larger than, bigger, bigger than, living hopes.
So we hardly get any time to have that fun activities with our child. So in a way, this is really good.
Dogs, cats, and so many breeds anamata. Birds, horses, like చాలా different varieties ఉండే చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly high.
Actually, Kids Carnival only we love the most because there are many items we could buy and we got to know many brands that we didn't know before.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
It was so fun and memorable, and I think I would be the first one visiting next year again. So thank you so much for HITEX for organizing this PETEX event.
All you ever wanted. Hopes and dreams, every boy. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted. You know you could.